Hi, and welcome to episode 2 of these Python beginners tutorials. Today we'll go over the 4 main data types and variables. Okay, as I said, there are 4 main data types. You have strings, which are texts in a way. Strings are in double quotation marks or in single quotation marks and can include whatever characters you want. This is a valid string, this is a valid string, and this is a valid string. Everything that's inside the quotation marks is a string. You also have integers, or ints. These are numbers without points. So this is an integer, and this is an integer, and this is an integer. Yes, these are all integers. If you have points in your numbers, then it's a float. It would be like 45.3 is a float, or 90.23 are all floats. And then you also have booleans, which can only hold 2 values. True and false. And as you can see, even if a string has integers or floats in them, or values that without the quotation marks would be integers and floats, it still is a string because it's within the quotation marks. Now these data types and values can be stored within variables. So let's say x equals hello world. We can now print x to the console. I'm just gonna delete these because with those it wouldn't be valid code. And as you can see, it prints hello world to the console. This is because x holds the value of hello world and we're printing out x. If we now say x equals something like 90, it'll print out 90. You can also declare multiple variables very easily. If you're making a game, right, and you have values called height and width for something like the screen, you can just declare those with a comma between them, height and width, and then write 200 for the height and 300 for the width. And now you've declared two variables within a single line. So if I now say print height and then print width on another line, in the console you'll see that it prints 200 and then 300, because height is 200 and width is 300. Now, in this episode, I'd also like to go over something called arithmetic operators, which they're really simply operators like in math. Like say x equals 100, y equals 200, and z equals x plus y. Now plus here is the operator, and as you can see when we print out z, it'll print out 300. It'll print out 300 because x plus y is 300. And you have many different arithmetic operators. You have plus for addition, minus for subtraction, asterisk for multiplication, and slash for division. So if I now say that z isn't x plus y, it's x minus y, then it'll print out minus 100 because x is 100 minus 200, that's minus 100. You could also use the multiplication operator and get 20,000, sorry, or divide it. with a slash, which becomes 0.5.